And we got it. We are headed back to Venters County with our Brinkley. So before we leave, Eric got this checklist off of Brinkley. Just an inspection before you travel. One thing I wouldn't have thought of, you got to take the microwave plate out of the microwave. So Eric's just checking through this list before we head out and being sure we have everything in there. But it's hard to get through it right now because the slides are in. So I'll give you a view of it with the slides in. So that's the living room and kitchen with the slides in. What do you think?
I gotta find the owner's bag.
Good luck. All the drawers are hard to get to.
No, I could put a slide out.
And this is the bedroom with the slides in. Here we go. They fed us lunch. I don't know if it was customer appreciation or if we just came on the right day, but they were grilling out hamburgers and hot dogs. Here we go.
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.